Hi guys, good day. Welcome back again to today's video. In today's video, guys, I am going to be treating my hair for hair growth. So this you are seeing here, this oil you are seeing here, this is hair growth oil that I make myself. Okay, so we are having mayonnaise here, so you can use bama, okay, because oil is still mayonnaise. All right, I'm having egg here, so this is egg white, so you can use any types of egg you have at home. All right, so this one that you are seeing is also egg, so I'm going to be working with 2 eggs today because it's my daughter that break this one this morning, so I don't need to throw it away, so I'm going to be using it to treat my hair. All right, so the next one is honey, so we are going to be making use of honey today. So and that's it. So I want to turn everything here. Okay, excuse me. The next one that I'm going to be adding in is hair growth oil. Okay, so if you don't have this hair growth oil, if coconut oil is good on your hair, so you are free to use coconut oil, or if you have olive oil, you are also free to add olive oil to it. All right, so the next thing that I'm going to be adding in now is mayonnaise. Okay, mayonnaise. Three, 4, 6. So the next one is going to be honey. All right, so I'm going to be adding in honey. So guys, I am going to be making use of teaspoon. Okay, teaspoon is okay because if your hair is breaking, so you are going to be needing honey. Okay, honey helps to strengthen your hair and also boost your hair for hair growth, helps to repair your scalp, and also helps you to get rid of dandruff. And if your hair is also breaking, it's going to take off it. All right, you can use a spoon, anything to mix it together. Okay, so I am going to apply it now. Stay tuned. So this is my hair, so I want to apply it now. Hair growth journey is not something of just one day, so if you want to really grow your hair, it's just for you to be consistent and focus. All right, so this is what I just missed. I want to apply it now. It looks so very creamy. This my hair is not even up to 8 months that I start this treatment to. Are you seeing my hair? It's growing so fast. Hair growth journey is not easy. It's not something that easy. First thing you have to be having is interest, so you have to keep your finger crossed and tell yourself that you can do it, because if not, you are not going to. Hey God, it just focus and know what you want to achieve at the end of it. Okay, follow my page, help me to be sharing my video, help me to be sharing, leave comment down. I am seeing everyone comment, just that if I don't reply doesn't mean that I am not seeing your comment. I am seeing everyone comment, so I was so busy these few days, so I was having exam, I need to learn, I need to read, so that's why you are not seeing me reply comment often. Okay, if you want to get a better result, it's for you to be applying it 2-3 times a week. Okay, because I normally get that question a lot. Okay, so 2-3 times a week. Also, you have to be eating fruits, okay, vegetable a lot. Okay, because as your skin need skincare, that's how your hair also need the care. Okay, so you need to be eating fruits, vegetable. All right, if you want to grow your children hair, your loved ones hair, men can also use it. If you are a man, you are battling on how you will grow your hair, your edge, so you can watch any of my videos, so follow up with it. You are going to come back here and thank me later. Okay, so oil too, so people are saying I should make oil for them. I have a lot of video on how to make hair growth oil. So that's it. I have different video there on how you will make hair growth oil. Okay, so some people hair doesn't answer earlier, so you have to still be doing it. Still keep on treating your hair. You don't have to stop. All right, so still keep on treating. One day the hair will hear what. Are you seeing the way my hair looks so soft? So I am going to massage it now for 30 seconds. All right, so guys, I am going to be using this bag to cover it for 30 to 35 minutes. After 30 to 35 minutes, before I will go straight to wherever I'm washing my hair to rinse it out. Okay, you have to wash it with shampoo. Okay, after washing, you can normally get that question. Excuse me. After you are finished washing, you apply any hair cream of your choice, any leave-in conditioner of your choice. That's when you now apply it. Okay, so see you guys in my next video.